Hello everyone, my name is Majid Rahimi and you're watching the first video of Forex Basics. In this series of videos we're going to understand some basic information about Forex market itself, and I'm going to introduce the technical analysis course which I'm going to upload in this channel. In this channel we're going to know about Forex market, which is maybe known by most of you by now. Then we will get to know about some famous platforms for trading in this market like MetaTrader 4 and 5. And our final goal is to make money out of this market using technical analysis based on CFTE. CFTE is an international certification which is for people who are working as financial markets technicians. Many people start trading without knowing the right path, and after a while they find themselves confused in such a complex market. So I decided to share my studies in this field with you in one of the right ways of it, and I choose CFTE for this. For more information about this certification, I will put the link in the description of this video. This course is absolutely free and it will be free till the end of time. So if you think this is the right course for you, just click the subscribe button here and the notification bell under this video to get notified when new posts comes in. Trading Forex needs a great amount of time and discipline to be successful. So if you're looking for a fast way to get lots of money, this market is not a good choice for you. This market has great opportunities for patient people. But if you need urgent money, I suggest you to find another place for that. Okay, let's start with Forex word. Forex is made up of two words, foreign and exchange. What does foreign exchange mean? It's a market for people who want to change their own currency with another currency for any reason. Okay, what does it mean? Let's take a look at this example. This is Mike, and he has some United States dollars in his pocket, but he needs some euros. He can have many reasons. Maybe he's traveling to Europe, or he knows that euro is going to be expensive in a while, and many other reasons. All we know is that he needs some euros and he has some dollars. So he should find another person who needs some dollars and have euros in his pocket. They exchange their money in a price and the Forex trade has been done. This was a simple example of how Forex works. These days we have computers and many of these trades is done by the systems. We talked about price in this example. Let's see what's price. A value that will purchase a finite quantity, weight, or other measure of a good or service. Remember Mike? In that example, Mike had to pay $111.27 for 100 euros. This price is for the time that I was creating this presentation, and it's being changed in time. Actually, every few seconds it has a new price. Now, this is the chart of price changes in time. We will talk about charts and how to get information from it in next videos, but for now it's only important that these prices have some changes during time. Now the question is, how can we use these price changes to make money? And this is the key point of whole business. Well, in our previous example, imagine that Mike knows that it's more probable that the price of euro will rise against US dollars. So he buys 100 euros with $111.27, and when the price is changed, he sells it and get $112.50, and his profit would be $1.23. Well, if he continues this way, he would be a rich man in the future. But the key point is, well, how did he know that it is more probable that the price of euro will rise against dollars? The answer is this course. In this course, we are going to discover this question and finally get money out of this market. Well, by knowing the procedure of this market and how it works, I think it's time to know some facts about this market. Forex trading daily volume is about 53 times more than the New York Stock Exchange. So it's a very big market, and don't worry finding someone to sell what you've bought before. The volume of retail Forex trading represents just 5.5% of the whole foreign exchange market. This means we are a very small part of this market. Forex runs for 24 hours per day, and you can trade it anywhere and with any time zones. 90% of successful Forex traders these days use robots, sometimes called expert advisors, to help them make money. Well, it's much better to make a machine that earns you money when you're sleeping. Well, this was the start, and in next video we're going to know symbols of main currencies, about currency pairs, and another important feature about this market, which is called leverage. If you want to know about our latest video, just click on subscribe button and the notification bell. Your comments will increase the quality of this fully free course, so let us know your opinions. Share this video with your friends who you know that might need this course. Have a great time and bye.